Citing references in text. Cite the work of those individuals whose ideas, theories, or findings have directly influenced your work, even if you are paraphrasing or describing someone else's idea. To avoid plagiarism, take careful notes as you research to keep track of all sources and collect the information you need to cite them properly. The following screens illustrate how to format citations in text. APA style uses the author date citation system. This system allows readers to find the sources cited in text in the reference list, where each source is listed alphabetically. To insert a citation in text, include the author's surname, that's the author's last name, and year of publication. For a direct quotation, be sure to include the page number or specific location of the phrase or sentences in the original work. Here are some examples of how to use the author date citation when paraphrasing. In the first box, you'll notice the author's last name, Kessler, and then in parentheses, the year 2003. In the second box, we have the complete sentence ending with, in parentheses, the last name Kessler, comma, space, and the publication year 2003. In the third box, the publication year and author's last name are included as part of the words of the sentence. In 2003, Kessler's study. The following chart shows how to format in-text citations depending on whether you are using the in-text format or parenthetical format. This chart also shows how to cite a reference in text depending on the number of authors. Be sure to consult this chart frequently. When you need to cite two or more works together, arrange the in-text citations alphabetically in the same order in which they appear in the reference list. Below are some examples of citations that include more than one work in the same parentheses. If we look at the first box example, you'll notice training materials are available, and then in parentheses, the Department of Veterans Affairs, and then the year 2001, and then 2003. In the third box, several studies, you'll notice two different citations with two different authors, and they're in order alphabetically. For more information on citing references in text, be sure to consult the APA manual.